Hi guys, today I'd like to pick and talk you through how to do an Assa 700 with Christmas tree spools, tapered spools and the gin drivers. I would start setting off with a tension wrench which fits beautifully. This did fit, but through time it's got looser and different Assa 700s. It does make it a little bit harder, but I still can do it. Normally I try and pick pins 3, 5 and 7 first. It doesn't normally go in that order. They're the tapered spools. Pin 3's binding. Nice click out of 3. 7's binding. Ease up on the tension slightly so it gets it moving. Crank on the tension, nice click out of 7. I concentrate on pins 3, 5 and 7 just to get it into the full set. That's pin 3. Pin 5 is binding, and if any of the other pins need slightly moving, I will just give them a nudge, and when it goes soft I'll leave them. But say first I do pin 3, pin 5 and pin 7, but I just keep walking them up the tapered spools so they keep on falling down. And after a while, so it'll be a bit quicker than this, you will get a full set. I think I might have moved a different pin. That's 3. Oh, 5, there you go. I've gone into a bit of full set, which means I'm in the bastard part of the picking. The Christmas tree spools I normally find are in pin chamber 1, and it has known to be done in chamber 6, but all you have to do is, if it's caught on the top part of the Christmas tree spool, it will give you counter rotation like it is now, and it's clicked in. Now I'm on the gin spool part, which is trapped, so I've picked 3, 5 and 7, so now I've got 1, 2, 4 and 6 to go. I place my pick on pin 6 and I can feel a bit of movement, so I know that's not picked, and I'll do a bit of float picking. You're trying to wiggle it out, so you don't want to just keep on going up and down. See? That's 5. That's not, that was 6. So this is pin 4. Trying to slide off the pin. And with like anything, it is the order that you do it in. It's you could pick most of them, float pick them, but then you get to your last pin and you could drop them, which is, you just carry on, just kind of float picking, go to the next pin. I just keep checking. It feels like pin 5 might have fallen down, no, 4, 6, sorry. Pick that again. think it's just pin 1, which has got the Christmas tree in, which is a very high cut. Just keep giving it a wiggle, slight turn, and there you go. Got an open. It's not bad. What was that? 5 minutes? I'll gut it now. Put that down. I do like the Assa 700s. They do give nice feedback. Right, let's get this massive thick clip off. I started it off before, so I didn't have any problems. Bit long. Can't believe I'll get it even wider than that. Finally got that off. Still picked. Let's find a follower. Nice size, that's going to fit in. It is. I'm going to shim it. That's not going in, but we will have a go. Pins at top. Come on, don't get stuck, don't get stuck. Oh. Oof. I have dropped a pin. Look at that. Hope I'm not gonna. That's a Christmas tree spool. Let me get that out before I bend the spring. Get the spring out. Close that properly. That was close. And you should have got that shimming properly. Right. The Assa 700s that I've had loads of wafers in. I mean loads. This has only got, I think I left 2 in this one. There you go. Anti-pick, anti-drill, sorry. There's one going to come out. No, I did. I'll have to cut another wafer in. Nice torpedoes. Anything special on the colour? It should be, yeah, it's counter milled on 1, 2, 4 and 6. Let me just try and focus in so you can see it. It is, it won't focus. Let's see if it's got any. Well, it definitely has. It's just not showing up on the camera. It's not showing up on any angle. Can't get light on the phone because I'm using my phone. Oh, it's definitely got counter milling. pointless. Two gin spool, 3 tapered, 4 gin, 5 should be tapered, 6 should be a gin spool, and 7 should be a tapered. Dump the springs. Not the ball. Leave them in. Now I don't want to go in. That's that. Review of the pins themselves. They've got tapers in 3, 5 and 7. They've got the tapered edge. They keep on falling in, so if you pick them 3 first, and hopefully you get into a full set. If you don't, you just tap the other ones. That's your Christmas tree spool. Depending whereabouts you are, say if you're in the top part, that middle line will give you a spool counter rotation effect, and then it's float picking. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Enjoy your evening. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.